This is your moment. Own it. From the beginning, I wanted to create the most epic and insane athletic competition ever devised. Every challenge these competitors will face is inspired by the workouts that have fueled me, the struggles I've experienced, and the disciplines I believe in. Welcome to the Titan Games. I want this show to redefine what an athletic competition can be. All roads lead to Mount Olympus. It's the final challenge that you have to conquer to become a Titan. These are 7 grueling trials that you have to go up this mountain and down. One woman and one man will be crowned Titan champions. Success in these games is about keeping a steady stride. It's also about scaring your opponent with a very intimidating face right before you battle. I usually go with something like this. Join me. A revolution is coming.